In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail in just 5 minutes. We will cover the basics so you can efficiently manage your email communications using Gmail, one of the most popular email services out there. First things first, you'll want to make sure that you're signed into your Google account. This is an essential step because without signing in, you won't be able to access your Gmail. Once you've signed in, navigate to gmail.com in your preferred web browser. This will take you directly to your inbox where you can view all your incoming emails. Now let's get to writing an email. On the top left corner of your Gmail page, you'll find the Compose button. Click on it and a new message window will pop up. Here, you can start creating your email. In the To field, type in the recipient's email address. If you wish to include more recipients, you can use the CC and BCC fields to copy them in. Next, move on to the subject line. It's important to make this clear and concise so the receiver knows what to expect. Now you're ready to compose the body of your email. Write your message in the large text box provided. To attach files to this email, look for the little paperclip icon at the bottom of the new message window. Click it and select the files you want to include. Once you've crafted your email and added any necessary attachments, it's time to send it. Click the send button and your email will be on its way to the recipient. It's as simple as that. Replying to emails is just as straightforward. Scan through your inbox, click on the email you wish to respond to. After the email opens, find the reply button, which usually appears as a backward arrow. Clicking on this will open up a reply window. Type your response and then hit send to reply to the original email. Gmail also offers organizational tools such as labels, which help keep your inbox structured and accessible. You can create labels to organize your emails neatly and even set up filters that automatically sort incoming mail into these labels based on criteria you set. If you're looking for a specific email, utilize Gmail's powerful search bar located at the top. Simply type in keywords and it will help you swiftly find what you're looking for. Gmail harnesses additional features that further enhance user experience, like enabling offline mode. This feature allows you to access and manage your emails without an internet connection. Plus, you can customize your Gmail signature by adding your name, title, and contact details, providing a polished touch to all outgoing emails. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to effectively use Gmail and make the most out of its features to streamline your email management.